Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, you will learn an automation technique that is going to streamline your contact management process and save you a lot of your time. So I'm talking about creating contacts in HubSpot directly from your emails. So guys, if you're using CRM tools like HubSpot and you are receiving emails from your team, and in those emails you're receiving the data of your leads and contacts, and you want to save the data inside HubSpot CRM, you can do this automatically by integrating your email inbox with HubSpot. And I'm going to show you how you can integrate it without any coding super simply. So if you want to learn this automation, stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. So this is the landing page of our automation tool, that is Pabbly Connect. And you can reach here from the link in the description, and from here you can sign up for free and you will get free automation tasks every month. So guys, sign up right now from the given link, and after that you can sign in to reach the dashboard. And from here, click on this create workflow button. Here you can provide a suitable name to your workflow. So let me give a name here. So guys, I have given this name here. Now let me click on create button, and you can see the workflow page is loading up. And on this page guys, you will find these two modules, the trigger and the action. So with the help of these two things, we can set up any automation. Trigger is that event which starts the workflow, and the action is the automated consequence or the response of the trigger. So we can have many automated actions for a particular trigger. In our use case guys, we are getting emails from our leads or from my team, and that is going to trigger our workflow, and the action would be to fetch out the data of contacts from the emails and create a contact in HubSpot. So first of all guys, in the trigger option, it will ask to choose the application. So here you have to choose email parser, which is a feature of Pabbly Connect, and with the help of email parser we can connect our email inbox here in the trigger. So it will provide you this email parser's address. So you need to copy this email parser address and you have to paste it as a forwarding address inside the settings of your inbox, and all the incoming emails that you're getting in your inbox will be forwarded here in this email address. Okay, let me show you how you can use this address. First of all, open your email inbox. So guys, this is my email inbox. I'm using Gmail here, and from here click on this settings option on the top right. From here click on see all settings. Alright, and under the settings page you will find this forwarding and pop/imap option. Click on it, and here guys you will find this add a forwarding address button. So click on add a forwarding address, and here you have to paste this address that you got. So click on copy here and paste it here inside the forwarding address field like this. And here you can see, as we have copied the parser's address, it started showing waiting for the email parser's response. Okay, now when you click on this next button here, this dialog box will appear, and from here when you click on proceed, a sample email will be delivered here inside the workflow. Okay, and in that sample email you are going to receive a code as well, which you need to fill it to verify this email address. Let me show you. First of all, click add a forwarding address, paste the address here, then click on next, then proceed, and here you can see a confirmation code has been sent to this address to verify permission. Click on OK. Let's check in our workflow if we got the sample, and this is the sample email, and here you can see we have received these labels. So this is how the email will appear as well. In these labels you are going to get the addresses from which you are getting the emails and all the things. Okay, and here you will get a body text label as well, in which you are going to get the whole body of the email. So this is a sample body of the email I got. From here, copy this code you have received. This is the confirmation code. Just copy it, paste it here under the code field, and then click on verify. All right, you can see the address is now verified. Now check this radio button, forward a copy of incoming emails to this address. Okay, and from here scroll down and then click on save changes. Okay, right, so I have added the email parser address as the forwarding address in this email inbox. Now Whenever any email is going to come here, receive here in this inbox, that is being captured by this workflow as well. Let me show you. Just click on this recapture email response button and then click on yes again, and it will start showing waiting for the response again. Okay, now I am going to open a different email address, and from that email address I am going to send an email here in this inbox in which I have added the forwarder. Okay, and then we are going to see, as we are going to receive the email, it will also be captured here in the workflow. Let us see. So guys, this is the email I have created, I have composed, and I am sending this to this email inbox in which I have added the forwarder of the email parser. Okay, and here I am going to click on send now. Okay, and you can see the message has been sent. Now let's check in our workflow if we got the data captured of a new incoming email in the inbox. So guys, we have received the data, you can see, and in this data you can see the things I have received. So here in the to display label, you are going to receive the details of the person who have sent you the email, and here you can see guys, in this subject label I have received the subject of the email, that is new lead details. You can see this is the same subject I have received here, new lead details, and I am receiving this from AVN business. And when I'm going to open it, you can see this is the email I've received. Hello dear, I'm sharing with you the details of a new hot lead. Try to connect with this lead as soon as possible. The details are as follows: test demos, the name, email address, everything. Let's check this content here in the body text label, and here you can see guys, we have received the same email in the body text. Hello dear, I am sharing with you the details of new hot lead, and these are the details. Test demo, okay, everything is same. So this is how you can capture the data. Now I want to create the contact in HubSpot using this data. But here guys, we have received the data in this body text label, in this body of the email. So guys, I am going to use a feature of Pabbly Connect to fetch out the details one by one. First of all, we are going to fetch the name of the person, the email address, and all these things from the body of the email. Okay, for that, use this action step, and here you have to search for text formatter feature of Pabbly Connect. Okay, and use the action event as text parser. Okay, use text parser, then click on connect. And here it is asking from which text you want to parse out anything. So guys, I am going to map this whole body text label here in this text field. Just click here and the previous step will appear like this. From here, map this body text label. Okay, and then it will ask to enter the text match after and text match before words. This means here you can see guys, in the body text label, let's say I want to fetch out this name. Test demo is the name of the lead. Okay, and I want to parse out this. So the text match before word here will be this name and the colon. Okay, and the text match after word will be this email word. Okay, because the name is present between this email word and the name colon word. Okay, so here guys, it is asking for the text match after. So let's see what is the after word. After is email. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to paste it here as it is. Okay, and the before text would be this name and colon. Okay, let me just copy it. Sorry, I am actually text match after would be this name and text match before would be this email, because name is before email word, right? Paste it here. Right, this is correct. Now click on save and send test request button and you will see the name fetched out in the result. Here you can see guys, in this result label we got test demo, which is the name present here. Okay, test demo. This is how we can fetch name. Similarly, if you want to fetch other things, you can just copy paste this text formatter step by clicking on these three dots. Just click on copy step and then click on paste step. So the same step will be pasted here like this. Okay, and here you have to just change these two things. Now let's say you want to fetch out this email address. So the text match afterward would be address and a colon, and the before word would be this angle mark or this space, okay, whatever. So let me just enter. So guys, I have entered this angle bracket and then click on save and send test request, and here so I have captured the email address. Similarly, you can get all the things. Right now I'm showing you the demo, so I am just fetching out the two things, that is name and email address. Now guys, one thing more I forgot to tell you, that we have connected the inbox using this email parser address, but we are receiving many emails from many people and from many sources. But for every incoming email, I do not want to trigger this workflow. I want to trigger this workflow whenever I receive a specific email in which I have the details of a new lead. Okay, only then this workflow should run and work. Okay, for that, to ensure guys, I am going to apply conditions here. So to apply this condition that whenever I receive the email address in which I have the details of the lead, then only this workflow should run and create a contact. Just click here in this plus icon just after the trigger step, create an action, and here use filter feature of Pabbly Connect. Just click on filter, and with the help of filter, you can filter out some data according to the conditions. So the condition here would be that whenever I receive an email, and in that email the subject contains these two words, new lead, then only capture the email and run this workflow, otherwise stop the workflow right here. Okay, so to ensure it, just here you can see in the filter it is asking to select the label, select the filter type, and put a value here. So just click here, and from this first trigger step, map the subject label, select the subject label, make the filter type contains, and here just type the two words, that is new lead. Okay, so this means whenever the subject label contains these two words, this workflow should run and continue. So click on save and send test request to check the condition, and here you can see it started showing the status as condition is true. So whenever this condition matches true, this workflow will continue and fetch out the details, and finally create a contact in HubSpot. For that, add one more action window, and here just type HubSpot CRM and select it. Then select the action event as create a contact. Then click on connect button. From here, choose add new connection, then click on connect with HubSpot CRM. Alright, so it might bring you to the login window if you are not logged in, but I have already logged in here. So just select the account's name, then click on choose account button, and here you can see guys, we are getting connected with HubSpot. Alright, and here guys, you will see it will after getting connected with HubSpot, it will ask you to choose the it is asking me to choose the coaching institute name because I have designed my CRM for the coaching institute. It will ask you about your organization's name. You can choose it from here. Then it will ask for company number, company size, date of birth, and it will show you numerous fields guys like these. Okay, but right now I have some limited data coming from emails, so I'm just going to use that data only. Here it will ask you to select the status, so the contact is active or inactive. You can select it from here, make it active. Okay, then it will ask lead status. If it is a lead, so it is active, or sorry, it is a new lead or open or whatever. So here I am going to select let's say open. Okay, right, then scroll down a bit more, then it will ask for the WhatsApp number, military status, work email, first name. So here let me map the name from the first text parser step in which I have fetched out the name of the person. So just click here and map the result. Okay, then it will ask for the email. and I have fetched out the email as well. From the second text parser, map the result label. Similarly, if you have fetched out more things, you can map here on these many fields. Okay, if here you can see it is also asking for the source, so I'm going to enter it here as email marketing, let's say. Right, if you have any message, you can map. Okay, so in this message, let me just map the whole email I got from the trigger only. Right, so I have mapped the whole email as well. Okay, so it will be more clear to us from where the data is coming. Now finally, you can click on save and send test request button to check your connection with HubSpot, and a new contact will be created. It will be appear here in this contacts section. Let me show you. I am clicking on save and send test request button, and here you can see, guys, a new contact has been created because it is showing a ID here. Let me show you here in the HubSpot dashboard as well under the contact section. Let me just refresh it, and here you can see, guys, we have received a new contact named as test demo. Lead status is open. This is the email address, and here the contact owner is not assigned, and you can see it also. Okay, so guys, our connection is fine and contacts are getting created, and we are done setting up this automation. And you have to set up it only once. After that, it will work whenever you are going to get a new email in which you are going to get a subject in which you will find these two words, new lead. The workflow will run and create a contact according to the data that you have received in the email in HubSpot. And I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description so that you can clone this same workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.